Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Soviet Russia. So you can see it has a single color for the red color and a symbol here. This is a special symbol and a star on top of it. Alright, now let's start the coloring and put the red color for the whole area. So let's fill up and we're trying to make it as uniform as possible. Okay. This symbol is important because this is the symbol of the socialist republics countries. So almost it was a very known and the common symbols in the 50s, 60s, 70s of the last century. All right. And I'm going to fill up this corner here. Okay, so that's the usual shape of the flag and the rectangular shape. The color is red and the symbol on the top left corner. There's the flag of Soviet Socialist Republic. It's called shortcut Soviet Russia. It was the old flag of the present Russia. Alright, so thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. In our next videos, we're going to bring more interesting topics. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.